Hey guys, come on in today to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. We are going to make cherry pie bars. Sounds good? If you like cherry pie, this ought to be pretty good for you. So first off, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour in my bowl, okay? Then we're going to put in 1 cup of sugar, just all-purpose sugar, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour. I'll get it right.
Spit it out, Spitty.
I'm trying. And then cornstarch. Cornstarch, we're going to put in half a tablespoon. Maybe. Get it out of there. That's what happens. I let my ingredients set before I actually do the video. And they get stuck. All right.
Well, it is raining out.
Yeah. Yeah. So half a tablespoon of cornstarch, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Maybe. There we go. And just stir that all up. Get that all mixed in there first. We're making the crust for the bars. I'm getting into bars lately. Not literal bars, but baking bars, because they're pretty good. Easy to do, guys. All right. Got that all stirred up. And now we are going to put in butter. 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks. Cold butter, because we're going to try to make a crumb mixture for the bottom, and it'll be for the top also. And you guys use your hands, because that's what you got them for. All right. So, cut that in. We're going to try to use this. If we can't use this, I got a fork and I've got my hands. So, we're going to try to make a crumb mixture with this. And this takes a while. I'm trying to get it all mixed in there. Can you see it? What we're doing here?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let me get this mixed up and we'll be right back. All right, I got it all mixed up here, and now we're going to put in 1 egg. Boom. Mix that up a little bit. It's going to make it stick together, I'm assuming, here. Stir that all up. We'll get real crumbly. And then we're going to put 2/3 of it into our baking dish, which is a 9 by 13. Oven is preheated to 350. And then we're going to bake this for 8 minutes. And then magic will happen. Because, you know, we're magical around here. Right?
Magic hands.
Something like jazz hands. All right. Now we're crumbly in there. We're going to spray our pan.
Is that WD?
Yeah. Okay. So we're going to put 2/3 of this in our pan. And I guess I'm just going to guess about what 2/3 is. We're going to save some for the top. Think that's it?
That's probably enough.
Maybe.
If you can get it all the way around, it's enough.
We're going to press that down in there. Oh, there's some down in there.
That butter will make it taste good.
Press that down in there and bake it for 8 minutes. We're ready for this. Billy's like, did you have any ice cream? No, we don't have any ice cream. He said Kroger's is right down the road.
That vivid vanilla would be awfully good with that.
So I might be heading to Kroger's here in a little bit. He does have milk. It's not the same. All right, got that pressed in. So we're going to put it in a 350-degree oven, 8 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, took the crust out of the oven. Now we're going to pour in 121-ounce can of cherries. Now you could probably make this any flavor that you want. It doesn't have to be cherry pie bars. You can make blackberry pie bars.
Oh, yeah, that'd be good too.
Or strawberry. They have strawberries too. So whatever you want.
How can you go wrong?
But we're doing the cherry because that's what I have at the house. Like I said, use what you got. And this is just Walmart brand.
And if y'all use something else different than cherries, let us know how it turned out.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. See if I can get some more of that out of here. There's some of the juice stuck in there. Okay. And after you get all that spread all out, then you're just going to sprinkle the rest of your crumbs on top. So easy. Guys, I hope you like these easy recipes. People request them. Make sure I get it all covered on here.
Easy but good.
Yep. Get all that out there. And just spread it around evenly on top. Looks good to me. We're going back in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. So when we take it out, we'll be back. All right, guys, I made just a powdered sugar glaze to go on it. It was in the oven for 25 minutes. It's been cool. I already pulled out a piece, but we're going to put the icing on it. Is 1 cup of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of almond flavoring, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 tablespoons of milk, heavy cream, water, whatever you want to use, okay? So now let's just drizzle some on here. It's still a little warm, so I'm just going to put it on this one end right now. And, of course, a little on this piece. Because, why not? Look at that. Does that look yummy? All right, let's try it out. That's really good. And like I said, you can substitute the cherries inside for whatever you want. They've got blueberry, blackberry, apple. That would be good too. Strawberry. So good, guys. Hope you check it out. Fix it. It's amazing. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, but stay tuned right now if you want to see the update on Billy's eyes. So some people might not want to see it, I thought. So come on around. You want to show them what you look like now. Day 7. That's what he looks like now. He's still swelled, but it's getting better. His eyes are more open now. All right, guys. Peace out. Have a great day.